So starting from here, read with the spell.
Da ho ulta pesh u.
No, you made a mistake here. Read again.
Ha khadi.
Okay, listen. Ha khada zabar. You can say khada zabar. Ha khada zabar ha.
Ha khada zabar ha.
Okay. And now read this.
Ha khadi zer ji. Ha khadi zer.
Yes. Ha khadi zer he. Read again without spell.
He.
Very well. And then
Ha ulta pesh u shu.
ha sound, H sound. Ha ulta pesh
Pesh
ho.
u.
Don't oo. It's ho.
U.
Yes. Ha has heavy letters. So please read heavy voice. Okay. And read without spell. Ha.
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 He. Ha.
And
U.
ho.
U.
Ho.
U.
Yes, read heavy voice. And tell me what is this sign? Khada zabar sign.
Khada zabar.
Did you forget? Okay, don't worry. This is khada zabar sign. What is this sign?
Khada zabar.
And what is this sign? And
Ulta pesh.
yes. And how are the vertical means kadi halakat pronounced?
Good stretching.
Yes, like that. In the case of the letters of madda, because khada zabar is similar to alif madda, and kadi zabar is similar to ya madda, and ulta pesh is similar to waw madda. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Okay, so now read this one with a spell.
Ha khadi zer.
Is it khadi zer or khada zabar?
Khada zabar.
So please read it.
Ha.
Yes, listen. First, we will read the letter. Then we will read the haraka and read without spell like ha, khada zabar ha.
Ha khada zabar ha.
Yes, keep your focus on screen, please. Now read this one with the spell.
Ha khadi zer ji. U.
H sound zen. Please correct your mistake. Ha khadi zer hi.
Ha khadi zer he.
Okay, and after that,
Ha ulta pesh u.
oh.
U.
Okay, and read without spell.
Ha he. U.
Oh.
U.
Yes, and listen, these two letters have similar sound, and ha has heavy letter, but ha has clear sound. But these two letters have similar sound, so we need to find difference between both of them. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Okay, and your yesterday's lesson is finished, and